Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Game Pass Ultimate simply by playing on your Xbox Series X. This may take like a couple months, but this is a method that could work. Press the Xbox button, open up the side menu, tab on over to your profile, and then press A on it, and go to My Rewards. So look at the total on here. I have nearly 6,000 reward points simply by playing. I don't play Xbox a lot, so you might have a lot more. So press A on My Rewards and claim any reward points at the top. Now scroll on down. Look at the ways that you can earn reward points. So here's one like play a PC game. Play on the PC for 15 minutes and you'll unlock 20 points. Scroll on down, here are some big ones. Quest completion. Complete 36 dailies and 8 weekly quests. And then you'll unlock 1,000 points. So play your games, do certain quests and stuff like that. It says earn more points with Game Pass quests. Game Pass Ultimate members can earn even more with Game Pass quests down at the bottom. So yeah, just come in here and then go to Xbox reward categories or catalog and scroll on down. And then go to auto redeem right here. Now you could purchase it outright. There's an option on the top, but it's a little bit more. I just set this up so anytime I get to 13,750 points, it's going to automatically redeem Game Pass for me. So you can redeem it right here or set it up. Otherwise we can go to it right here. And then you can redeem it one time. So I just like having it set up. Once I get to that, it's going to automatically redeem. And then you can get Xbox Game Pass for 1 month with just your reward points. So just look at the ways to unlock them and you should be good to go. And you can back up, and there's like a weekly console bonus when you log in. You're going to get more points if you log in 5 days a week, pretty much 250 points. So you get 1,000 points a month pretty much just by playing. And then you got additional awards right here on the bottom. So yeah, just look at this and see if you have enough points for Xbox at Game Pass Ultimate. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.